A diagram like this is called the Bohr diagram. It has a nucleus and shells or orbits for electrons. So I'm going to pick a element, oxygen, as an example. And looking at the periodic table, the atomic number of oxygen is 8. And the atomic number is same as the number of protons. So there should be 8 protons in the nucleus of oxygen. So I'm going to put 8 protons. And looking at the periodic table, the atomic mass is 16 for oxygen. And the atomic mass, the mass of the atom, comes from the combination of protons and neutrons. And there are 8 protons. The atomic mass is 16. So you have to have 8 neutrons to make the atomic mass 16. So I'm going to put 8 neutrons in the nucleus. So that's the nucleus of an oxygen atom. And what about electrons? Protons are positively charged and neutrons are neutral, and electrons are negatively charged. So the number of protons and the number of electrons have to be equal for a neutral atom. So a typical atom has the same number of protons and the same number of electrons to be neutral. So if there are 8 protons, there should be 8 electrons for oxygen. The first layer or first shell can contain up to 2 electrons. The second shell can contain up to 8 electrons. But remember, you only have 8 electrons total for oxygen. So you can have 6 electrons in the second layer, and this is the atom of oxygen. 1, 2 for the first layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total of 8 electrons.